Hello everybody, Nick here again at Scoggin-Dickey. Now we're back on the showroom floor and we're looking at this absolutely evil black C8 Corvette. This thing has really caught a lot of attention around here lately, and it has a lot of accessories on it. This thing looks like a $500,000 supercar, but it performs like a $500,000 supercar is more to the point. If you want your Corvette to look like this though, let's go over some of the bits that this Corvette has that you can order from our website and get on your C8 Corvette. We know that there's been some availability issues with some of these accessories, and we're hoping that they're going to release more and more and more as the time goes on, so you can actually make yours look as mean as this. Now, one of the first things that you'll notice is it does have the carbon fiber front splitter. This is a beautiful piece. This is a really high quality piece that you used to be able to only get in the aftermarket, and now they're putting them on from the factory, and it really changes the look of this car, really racy. Speaking of racy, you can't even, I can't even not talk about it. Love the high-rise spoiler back there. Look at that thing. They did body color on this particular one. There's a carbon fiber splitter on the front and carbon fiber side skirts. But for the rear spoiler, they actually did body color, and I'm glad they did. From the back, this car looks absolutely gorgeous. And of course, there's carbon flash, which is that super dark metallic from the C7s. They've brought it back for some of these, and it looks great. There's all sorts of little touches on this car, and that's what it is, the little touches that makes a C8 look really special. And this thing, I'm gonna move out of the way so you can see it, this thing looks absolutely perfect to us. This is a customer's car, so unfortunately, we don't get to drive it. We can't even open the door to let you look inside. We're gonna preserve it for him for his first viewing. But for you C8 owners out there that want some accessories, you want your car to look like this, or maybe you got one of those really bright blue ones I love, you want to add some stuff to it, see it at stparts.com, and you can get some of these accessories. Thanks for stopping by. See you next week for another tech video.